Hi everyone, Sharon here with Mac Sr. This week's bird watching trip took us to Newhall Community Park, but I overlooked the name of the park when I saw the word Turtle Creek, and I should have been here, but indeed I was here at this water courseway. So you're going to get to see images and video of both. This is a shot of the lake that is there, and this is where the Vietnam Memorial is if you want to hike up that hill. But this is what you see if you come into the park through Newhall Parkway, which is off of Clayton Road. You can also get into the park by going on Turtle Creek off of Ayers Road too. My friend that went with me took this picture of me videotaping this bird. I'll have to let Ben tell me if this is a snowy egret or just a plain egret or a white heron. I'm not sure what he is, but he was beautiful. And here's some of the photos that I took when I used to walk my daughter's dog. And this is where I first saw I believe that's a green heron, but I had never seen a bird like that before in my life. I just thought he was wonderful, and I took a lot of photographs of him. Anyway, it's a beautiful spot to visit. Highly recommend it. So here's the birds.